It was quite a journey, a nice journey.
Are you married?
Question number 4. Late 20s or early 20s? Late or early 20s? I'm not sure. When I was 12 or 11, so now I'm 20 something. I had to even go and do my honors for inclusive education in order to include different learners with different cognitive skills and barriers. So it was quite nice because I've developed a lot, I've learned a lot, and yet I want to do my master's in inclusive, then my PhD. So it is quite nice because I'm able to help other learners who are struggling, not only through educating, but financially, for uniform, shoes, toiletry, bags, all toiletry, and a lot. Even visit some of their homes to help where I can. Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Phillip and this is Matric with Phillip. Today I'm not gonna tutor or give any tips. Today I'm gonna answer the questions some of you posted on my Facebook and Facebook page of Matric with Phillip and my Instagram. So I only selected 7 and some questions are too personal and my kids or learners are watching. Let's begin. If you're new here, subscribe, like, and thank you for viewing this video. First question is, how is 2022 so far? Since it's the week before school are open, it's quite nice, yet I'm not bored. It was epic. I was doing videos and someone close bought me a bicycle. So I'm momentarily riding it during the morning and afternoon, because the last time I ever ride a bicycle was when I was 12 or 11. So now I'm 20 something, which is more than 10 years down the line. So first question, it was how is 2022 so far? So it was the bicycle, it was nice, and having the new year with my family, it was nice, and not stressing over my work yet. Okay, it was nice. Question 2, how many kids do you have? My own kids. How many kids? I have only one. It's a boy. Was born last year, 2021. On 9 days before I was born. So I'm a father now, one kid, and I'm happy about that because I've achieved a lot. I have my own money, I've graduated, I'm working, I have my own house, so I'm grateful for that. Question 3,
Are you married?
I've just only have 5 years since I've graduated in university for teaching, 4 years since I got my first job as a teacher, 3 years since I've built my mother a house, one in Eastern Cape and one in Western Cape, 2 years of graduating for honors, 1 year of having my own house, and just last year for having my kid. Yeah, I'm not married and not anytime soon. Question number 4. How old are you? Late 20s or early 20s? Late or early 20s? I'm not sure. Late or early 20s? There. Because my learners are watching. Don't wanna call out my age. I'm young. I'm old for my learners. Way too old. But I'm young. Energetic. Yet succeeding. Have ambitions, goals, plans, motivated, educated, etc. Question number 5. What are your highlights for 2021, which is last year? My first highlight is having my kid on my birth month. Not only that I have a kid after I've achieved a lot. There's nothing holding me now. I'm just pushing with everything that I have, wanting everything that I don't have. So, second highlight, having my own house, buying my own grocery and everything. That's a highlight. Question number 6. How is teaching so far? How is teaching? For these 3 to 4 years, it was quite a journey, a nice journey. Standing in front of many learners, many kids with different backgrounds, different cognitive skills. I had to even go and do my honors for inclusive education in order to include different learners with different cognitive skills and barriers. So it was quite nice because I've developed a lot, I've learned a lot, and yet I want to do my master's in inclusive, then my PhD. So it is quite nice because I'm able to help other learners who are struggling, not only through educating, but financially, for uniform, shoes, toiletry, bags, all toiletry, and a lot. Even visit some of their homes to help where I can. So it is humane. Teaching, it has linked me with many people to learn, to network, to communicate, to help, etc. The last question, what advice would you give anyone watching? For my learners, go do your homework, stop YouTube. I'm joking. To anyone else, anyone watching, live your life. Live your life. Any money that we have, either invest, save, or enjoy it. Buy glamorous thing if you like, anything that will make you happy. Travel a lot. Educate yourself. Buy nice things. Buy things that will make your life simple because life is too short. But live your life. Make everything easier with anything that you can buy. Like buying washing machine rather than doing washing with your hand. If you have money, enjoy your life. Live your life. That's the most advice I would give, I would motivate with.